Hey guys, it's Bouncy here, and today I'm going to be doing a simple update video, so let's get right on with it. First off, as you may have known, I have a Twitter account, so a link for that will be in the description. Also, feel free to follow me on Google+, although that will not be linked in the description. Secondly, I'll be bringing back the Highlights series, so make sure to look out for that in the next week or so. So let's get to the main point of this video, though. And that is my new upload schedule. I will now be uploading only on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. However, in rare cases, I may not upload on these days. That's for, like, vacations and stuff. And finally, tell me in the comments below on whether I should do another loadouts video, because I have been gating items like crazy. Anyways, guys, that was just my update video on some things going on. So anyways, guys, this has been Bouncy TF2, and I tip my hat to you.